In this video, we'll look at how to take measurements in PyMol. So let's start off by only looking at the DNA. And let's select these two residues. And then let's orient ourselves to them. And then when you scroll your mouse wheel, the residues in the background fade a bit. So now let's take the measurements. So go over to the top console panel and select Wizard. Go down to Measurement. And now we can see that these options appear here in the Object Menu panel. So make sure that this first option is Distances, and that over here it is Create New Object. So let's start off with taking the measurements. So over here it says to click on the first atom. So let's click on this atom and then on the second atom. And we can see that it has taken the measurement. We want to take another one, but let's say we do not select the correct atom. It's not what we wanted. We can say delete the last object. Or if you realize you selected the wrong atom, so if we selected this one and you do not wish to select that one, just click on it again. And then we select the one that we want. And then we can take another measurements. If you do not wish to have these measurements while you take them, you can say delete all measurements. But if we are happy with it, we can say done. So please note that while taking these measurements, these new objects were created. So we can see that is measurement 1, that is measurement 4 because we deleted the 2 prior ones, and that is measurement 5. And within these, we can rename these measurements as well. And we have some few other options. We can hide the distance that was measured, or we can show the distance that was measured. And if we do not like these yellow dotted lines, we can go to color and make the dotted line white. And as I've previously shown, this number does not show up well on the dotted line. So go over to this mouse mode, do a left click. It's now in the editing mode. Do Control left click on the label, and then we can just drag the label so that it is not positioned on top of the dotted line anymore.